Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 10 to 16, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, let's see, Taurus, what's up? What's coming to you this week? Your overall energy, wow. The Six of Wands. You are winning. Yan. Energy to ng winner. Maaring meron kang recognition, you will be recognized sa mga efforts mo, sa trabaho, sa career mo. I also see a lot of admirers, no? Kumbaga, they look up to you. Maaring ikaw ay merong valuable na sinishare sa mga tao, or you are influencing others, so they look up to you with whatever you do. Let's see your challenge. Possible challenge. You have the Three of Wands. Maaring merong delays, no, sa mga gusto nyong gawin this week, yung mga gusto nyong explore, pwedeng travel delays, but, you know, lagi nyong iisipin na kapag may mga ganyan, lalo na kung beyond your control, ano yan, parang redirection, or protection. Yun na lang iisipin nyo lagi. Halimbawa, may flight na na-delay, isipin nyo lang na kaya to na-delay kasi pinoprotect ka sa mga challenges. Okay? So, let's see your opportunity. You have the Justice card. This is bringing balance into your life. I think mas magiging aware ka sa mga bagay na kailangan mong bigyan ng priority ngayong week na to, no? Things that you need to prioritize, especially kung meron ka mga aspects sa buhay mo na hindi mo binigyan ng attention before. Let's say your health, no? Yung kalusugan mo. Medyo na isang tabi mo siya, may mga check-ups ka na kailangan mong puntahan, or meron ka dapat ipaayos, no, sa sarili mo, but hindi mo ginawa, no? So, example lang naman yan. So, ngayon, bibigyan mo na ng importance, ng time and energy yan. So, bringing balance into your life. Or kung masyado kang naging focus sa trabaho, at wala masyadong oras sa family, so mas may time ka sa family mo. And vice versa. Halimbawa, puro family yung naging focus mo nung nakaraan. Ngayong week naman na to, babawi ka sa trabaho. Okay? So, this is about mga clarity, realization in your life. Kung ano talaga yung gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay, no? Let's see your blessing. What is the blessing? The blessing is the Page of Swords. Merong good news na parating, can be anything na matagal mo nang hinihintay. Let's see what good news to. Fourth house, related to your family, home life, parents, sa bahay nyo. Seventh house, relationships, partnerships. So, kung ikaw ay nagbabalak na makipag-business partner, merong good news, may blessings dyan. And this is also the blessing of, the blessing of learning, education. So, pwedeng ang blessing sa'yo is makakapag-aral ka na, or makakapag-enroll ka na dun sa short course na gusto mo, para ma-enhance yung knowledge mo, yung skills mo. What is the Six of Wands? The Page of Swords. Oh, double Page of Swords. Oh. Yung iba sa inyo, sa trabaho nyo, meron kayong magandang nagawa, no? Or na-research, or idea na i-recognize. Okay? Yung iba naman sa inyo sa social media, if you are very active sa social media, content creation, you are a social media influencer, content creator, anything creative that you do in social media, yan ay nakakakuha ng attention ngayon. You're gaining more followers, having more views, subscriptions. What is the Three of Wands? The Ten of Cups. Okay. Some of you, yung mga plans ninyo for your family or para sa bahay ninyo, pwedeng may certain delay, okay? But for this week lang naman yan, pwedeng kinulang lang sa budget. Halimbawa, gusto nyo mag-travel with family, kinulang sa budget, or may naging issue sa flight, may conflict, things like that. But Ang challenge dyan is paano mo ma-overcome yun? Paano mo i-handle yun? Magwawala ka ba? Maghuhurimentado ka ba? Magagalit ka ba? Or kakalmahin mo lang yung sarili mo at just surrender to the divine. Kung ano kasi yung kaya mong gawin in your own power, then do it. And then after that, surrender. Okay? What is the Justice card? You have the Five of Swords. So, ayun. Kung merong mang conflict, naging problema with someone, with the situation, you have the opportunity to fix it, ayusin. Pwedeng may pag-uusap. Kung merong nagkaroon ng misunderstanding with someone, maaari ngayong week na to mag-uusap para maging klaro na lahat at maiwasan na yung misunderstanding na yan. What is the Page of Swords? You have the Emperor, yes. So, you are being in control of your situation, of your life. Pwede rin isa sa good news sa inyo, merong leadership role na naghihintay for you sa inyong trabaho. This is also structure in your career or in your own life, no? Kumbaga mas disiplinado ka ngayon. So, sa money, career, finances, you have the Six of Pentacles, Five of Wands, and the Magician. Very competitive kayo sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong career. Maaring, meron dyan na makipagkompetensya sa inyo, kasi nga competitive rin yung taong yun sa trabaho, sa business. But at the end of the day, I see you winning, no? Mananalo ka in your own way. You just have to focus on yourself, on your skill set. I think meron ka pang i-discover sa sarili mo ngayon na pwede mong simulan na bagong business, bagong negosyo, bagong trabaho, bagong career. You have the Hangman. Kumbaga, hindi ka rin naman magmamadali, no? Pag-iisipan mo muna, lalo na kung ikaw ay papasok sa bagong negosyo or may bagong investment, you will be very careful. So, sa love life naman, you have the Hermit. So, pwedeng you are dealing with a Virgo. Two of Swords and Five of Pentacles. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, pinag-iisipan nyo na umalis sa isang relationship na feeling mo hindi ka na binavalue, feeling mo hindi na physically present, or parang, alam mo yung tipong meron kang karelasyon, pero parang wala naman. Oo. So, ngayon magde-decide ka if you really need to let go of this person. If you are single naman, I think umiiwas ka sa relationship sa ngayon. Pwedeng hindi ka pa nakaka-move on from your past. Pwede kasing may ghosting na nangyari dyan. You may be dealing with a Leo. Eight of Wands. Yeah, I feel like you are moving on, moving forward. So, kung ikaw ay nag-iisip na umalis sa isang relationship na parang feeling mo hindi ka na binavalue ng person mo, I think you are magiging courageous ka, maglalakas loob ka na umalis dyan at hanapin yung happiness mo. Fork in the road, yes, you are really making a major decision in your life. Anytime soon, you will see the light, yung liwanag. Magkakaroon ka ng clarity, which path to take. Okay? You also have Imagine. Yes, you are, mas nagiging creative ka ngayon. Nagiging malikot ang iyong isip, no? Ang iyong, when I say malikot na isip is parang marami kang mga creative ideas ngayon na gusto mong subukan, gusto mong gawin. Syempre, idea lang yan hanggat hindi ka nagtitake ng action over it. But I feel like you are manifesting a new opportunity sa buhay mo. This can be anything, okay? A goal-oriented person, yes. You are focused on your goals. Keep your eye on the prize, kumbaga. Maaaring may bago kang goal ngayong week na to at you will do your best, no, to make that happen. Merong journey, either physical or mental. Sa iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga pupuntahang lugar para ma-explore for your career, for your business, or you just want to unwind, to relax. Oo. Take a vacation, ganyan. beware of self-delusion. Okay. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na maaring marami kang iniisip, ideas, ganyan. Pero, yung ideas na yan, mananatili siyang idea kung hindi ka magte-take ng action. Na parang nagpe-play lang siya sa isip mo na yan yung situation mo, but actually in reality, it is not. Okay, so it's time for you to ground yourself, spend more time with nature kasi yan rin yung way for you to ground yourself na parang ma-realize mo what is practical in your life and ano yung dapat mong bigyan na ng attention and action. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.